Sometimes you might see this yellow exclamation mark on a track in Tracktion Waveform, and it might startle you, but it's a very easy fix, and that's what we're going to look at right now. You can see I have a bunch of tracks in here that have this yellow exclamation mark on them, and this one here, it doesn't have it. So let's hover over it. It says this track contains MIDI generating clips, which may be inaudible as it doesn't output to a MIDI device or a plug-in synthesizer. To change a track's destination, select the track and use its destination list. So you can see this one doesn't have that because there is an instrument on there. And if we play this track, we've got some sound. Now, if we go down to this track, it's got a MIDI clip, no instrument. We play it and there is nothing. Now, if we move this instrument down to that track, you can see the exclamation mark disappears from that track, but now it is on this one. So how to get rid of that exclamation mark? Put an instrument on that track or take the MIDI information off of that track. Sometimes you might accidentally drag a MIDI clip onto an audio track and then you could see this yellow exclamation mark. So you just want to move that off an audio track if it's on there, or you put an instrument on there, or just get rid of it altogether. Now, if you want even more Tracktion Waveform tips and tricks and tutorials, click the playlist on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.